Hello friends, in this video I will show you a very important concept to solve a percentage related problems. Let us assume the price of the commodity is reduced by R percentage. Commodity is reduced by price of the commodity is reduced by R percentage. Then what percentage of consumption increased? What percentage of consumption must be increased so that the expenditure is constant. In the previous video I have shown that the price of the commodities increased by R percentage. Then what percentage of consumption we have to reduce so that the expenditure is constant. In this we will see if the price of the commodity is increased by R percentage, then what percentage of consumption must be increased, okay, so that the expenditure is constant. As we know, expenditure is equal rate of the commodity into consumption. So here the rate is reduced by R percentage is equal to the current 100% rate. The equivalent to 100% is the fraction equivalent to 100% is 1 minus, and it is reduced by R percentage. So the fraction related to R percent equivalent to R percentage is R by 100 into rate into consumption. So this is going to be equal to 100 minus R by 100 into rate into consumption. But here the expenditure is going to be constant. So to keep expenditure constant, so we have to multiply consumption by 100 by 100 minus R. Then 100 will cancel, 100 minus R, 100 minus R will cancel. Then expenditure is going to be constant. But so this same equation can be written as 100 minus R by 100 into rate, so into 1 minus, okay, so 1 minus R by 100 minus R into consumption. So initially the consumption is 1, but now the consumption is 1 minus R by 100 minus R. That means clearly from here to here, so the consumption is reduced by R by 100 minus R fraction. So to get the corresponding percentage, we have to multiply this one with 100. So this one will give the percentage. So that means the consumption is reduced by R by 100 minus R into 100%. If the rate of or price of the commodity is reduced by R percentage, then the consumption is increased by R by 100 minus R into 100%. Okay, so if the price of the commodity is reduced by R percentage, then the consumption is increased by R by 100 minus R into 100%. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.